I just got that. Newton fishing here, back from another episode. We're actually on the other side of the lake from where I did my first episode. But I'm also running into problems already. I forgot worms, but luckily I had some catfish bait in my backpack, so I'll be able to use that. And then I also forgot my GoPro holder. So you're going to probably be getting ground views. I'm sorry about that, but we'll try to make it work as best we can. So we're going to try to catch some bass and probably some catfish. So see what happens. It's a beautiful day out here. Alright, we're going to walk along here and we'll see what happens. So it is beautiful out here. Alright, I'm going to try right in here. I hope you guys can see this. Alright. Okay guys, I apologize again for not having the holder. We'll just make do with what we got. So, get some catfish bait out. Alright guys, we made a move. We're going to try over here in this little cove and see what happens. But if we get a bite, we'll be back with you. But it's beautiful out here. Gorgeous. Alright guys, I decided we moved to a different spot. As soon as I threw out, this catfish hit. Sorry, I'm trying to get this thing set up. Sorry about that. It's just I didn't bring my, oh, don't get caught. Please don't get caught. I didn't bring my holder with me, so it's making it hard on me. Wow, I mean, he just hit. Don't break. I'm just gonna try to put him right in. Awesome. Perfect eating size. Perfect. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, at least we caught one. It's been a while. And along this bank, we moved over to where my first video was. Because it seems like these catfish are just right in here. Alrighty, I gotta put him on a stringer. That was awesome. Oh, I hate that I didn't have my holder for my GoPro. I left it. That's just making it hard. I'm sticking it in the GoPro holder still a little bit behind it, but it doesn't hold it near as well. Wow, that was awesome. And that's a good eating size too. Alright, I'm gonna prop this. Look at him. I'm gonna prop this on the rock. There we go. Put him down here on the thing. It's been a long time. I've been out here for quite a few hours. Finally got one. Alright, well, let's get another one. Let's see if we can catch another one. That was quick. I had just thrown it in. I was not expecting that. Hey, at least we caught one. And I might actually just stick this one right here and move on, keep moving on down with my other one. Alright. I'll leave that right there. We're going to head on back down. Alright guys, this tree right here, I'm going to walk out on there and try to fish off of it, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I believe a fish is on here, I believe. At least I hope so. Alright, I'm gonna have to put this down. bad one either. Awesome. Got one. I didn't think we were going to get him. I didn't even know that. That's funny, I was over there messing. I don't even know if you guys could have seen any of that, but I just got that. Sorry, well, didn't get it on film really, but I didn't think I did. But look at there. Beautiful. All right, we caught another one. Better than nothing. Hey guys, I apologize that the footage of me actually catching the fish is not that great. I'm crawling out on that log right there, and since I didn't bring my holder around the GoPro, I forgot it. I was just propping it in the GoPro holder right here, and I'm afraid I'm going to lose it if I take it out there on the log. If it falls, I'm not going to be able to find it. So hopefully it at least caught me bringing the fish in, but apologize that the footage ain't the best. Next time I just got to remember the GoPro holder. So, all right. All right. All right, guys, here he is. We'll take him. It's awesome. Look at those colors on him. It's beautiful. All right, let me get my stringer. I'm gonna throw it back out there. Look at there. Not too bad. Good sized eating catfish. All right, we'll see you guys next time.